Special thanks to this company who was nice enough to send us this hands-free FM transmitter to unbox and show you. Inside of this box is a nice little instruction set, and then this is the mount, so you can loosen it here and you're able to move this however you may want, like so. You can loosen this to extend this out, like so, and of course it just suction cups right to your dash. Then we have the other part. So take off the screw, put it on here, and then this pops into here, and then you're able to tighten this however tight you want to get the correct angle you want. Then this is able to plug into your cigarette lighter, where you have a USB-C port as well as a full-size USB-A port. This also has a USB and a headphone jack here, and this button on the back opens and closes the device so you can get your phone out. Lastly, a little audio cable. This is a clip for putting it in your vents if you wanted to use your vents instead of this, and this is a little double-sided sticky pad for this. Now, this has a few other features. Over here is a micro SD card that can work up to a 32 gig micro SD card to play music. You can also put music on a regular USB thumb drive to play music this way. And basically, this plugs into your cigarette lighter, holds your phone, and this is able to connect to the FM radio in your car, or whatever's on this plays through your FM radio. That's how this works. That should do it for this unboxing. Thanks again to this company for sending me this product to unbox and show you all. Thank you all for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Deuces.